Hello, my name is Eric Fonsett. I'm the bakery director for the bread and bun plant for Kwik Trip Incorporated. The bread and bun plant here on the Kwik Trip campus was built in 2018, and the reason for building this plant was to sustain retail's continued growth and also to help with Kwik Trip's vertical integration. We produce 9 different bread and bun SKUs, and we also produce 9 different bun SKUs here at the bread and bun plant for Kwik Trip. So the continuous mixer is some new technology to Kwik Trip. We were always used to barrel mixers, and we came across the continuous mix at a bakery show, and we thought that might be a good advancement for Kwik Trip. We looked into that and found out that it would fit our needs well into the future. The continuous mix gives you great quality at a very high level. The products that we see coming out of there are consistent from the beginning of the run to the end of the run. So continuous mix has been a great addition to the bread and bun plant here for Kwik Trip. Sanitary design was an extremely important part of the development for the bread and bun plant. We wanted to make sure that all of the OEMs were on board with Kwik Trip's specs, so to speak, as far as designing their equipment. We want to make sure that this equipment will last long into the future and also help maintenance troubleshoot certain parts of the equipment in the line, and also to ensure that our sanitation people can successfully clean that equipment day in and day out to provide our guests the most wholesome product possible. Training here in the bread and bun plant was very crucial to the coworkers spending a lot of time with the OEMs. We ensured that that was part of the negotiation process, is that the OEMs would spend a considerable amount of time with our coworkers and ensuring that before they left the plant that all of our coworkers knew and understood exactly what their roles were on each piece of equipment. The value of that training is just, you can't measure that. Long into the future, these coworkers are going to be able to understand what their jobs are and hopefully be successful at that long into the future. So within our MES system, the data collection that we use each and every day, we support start times and end times. We also track our daily waste to ensure that we're staying within the guidelines of what this plant should do. The MES system, really, you can leverage every piece of that data to help at some point, from the mixing, the making, to packaging. The MES system is a very vital tool in our day-to-day operations to measure how we're doing, from mixing efficiencies to the changeovers and things like that. So MES is a great tool for us to measure our overall efficiencies. The thing that we're most proud of here in the bakery is its coworkers. They show up day in and day out, and they get it done. The things that they've had to take on and the responsibilities that they've had to take on here, they've done a tremendous job. So when you talk about being proud of something, it is the coworkers for sure. They're the ones that make a difference here day in and day out, and I can really truly tell you that that comes from my heart.